Hello everyone, welcome to EduYourself. In this video, we are going to see how to add a condition on workflow transition, and it is going to be use case number 3. So the condition here is the value field condition. So let's directly navigate to Jira and let's see with an example. Let's take the project development as an example. Since we are talking about the workflow, let's navigate to the workflow by clicking on the project settings, by clicking on the workflows tab, and we are talking about the workflow called DEV workflow. And let me click on edit and let me switch over to the diagram mode. Alright, so we are talking about the condition called value field. So what exactly does it mean? Now in the second tab, let me click on create. In the development, I can see under the issue tab story there are different fields, right? Summary, components, attachments and description. Now I want to keep one of the condition. Maybe I can say that, let me open the text notepad and let me paste the summary here. Type hello in the description. Alright, so when it comes to the description field, if there is a word called hello, only then the issue should be able to transition from one status to another status. And if there is any other value apart from hello, the issue will not be able to transition. So what I want to do is exactly from in progress to in review transition, I want to place this particular condition. So let me click on add condition, and in the conditions I can see value field allows to execute a transition if the given value of a field is equal to a constant value or simply set. Let me click on add, and here we are talking about the field called description. So let me type and let me pull that field. When the description is equal to, the value is going to be hello, and the comparison type I want to leave it as a string, and let me click on add. Now as we can see, when the issue is being transitioned from in progress status to in review status, exactly right on this particular transition, if the field description value is equal to hello, only then the issue will be transitioned from in progress to in review. If there is any other value, or if there is the field description is empty, we can directly see on the view issue screen when we try to move the issue from in progress to in review, all we can see is that you don't have permission to do this particular transition. So we are keeping some sort of condition, and that condition is going to be value field. So let me click on publish draft, and let me not save the workflow. Let me click on publish. Now we have added one of the condition. Let me close the unnecessary tabs. Alright, now let me quickly create one of the issue in the development project. The issue type is going to be story. Let me enter the summary. Alright, for now let me leave the description empty. Let me assign the issue to myself and let me click on create. The issue has been created. Let me open the issue. Right now we are on the issue screen, view issue screen. And now let me try to move the issue from open to in progress. Alright, now we are in progress. Now we clearly know in order to change the workflow status from in progress to in review, we have written one of the condition, right? Where the condition states the value of the field description should be equal to the value hello. Only then the issue will be transitioned from in progress to in review. Now I clearly see the description is empty. So let me type ABC, let me save it, and let me try to move the status from in progress to in review. Still I see you don't have permission to transition this issue. So now what I want to do, let me change the value to hello. Let me click on save. And now when I click on in progress, I can clearly see the next status, which is in review. So what you have to understand from this particular value field condition is that we can make an use of this particular condition on various other fields. It might be related to priority, it might be related to labels, it might be description, or it might be any custom field. All we have to do is we have to set some sort of value based upon the conditions that we want to use in the particular issue. So in our example, we have make and use of the system field description, and we have kept a condition stating that only if the description value is equal to hello, then the issue should be able to move from in progress to in review. So I hope everybody have understood about how to make and use of the value field condition on the workflow transition in Jira. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to EdYourself. And I'll see you all in the upcoming video shortly. Thank you.